Lot like summer, or at least a kind of sticky spring feel, but that's changing tomorrow, at least slightly, and then we'll see a bigger change heading into Thanksgiving. Tomorrow cooler though, highs in the 70s instead of way into the 80s like today and yesterday. We warm right back up into the lower 80s Monday and Tuesday, and then that cold front we've been talking about on Wednesday, that's the one that will be stronger and will actually deliver a nice holiday chill just in time for Thanksgiving. And we could have some chilly mornings, 40s or maybe even north of the lake, a few 30s by Friday morning. Not so today. Our temperatures 70s right now, but you're dipping into the 60s north of the lake. We have a cool front. It's a cold front, but it's not actually going to make it cold, but it is moving through, so that will bring a few clouds tonight. Maybe a very stray shower, not completely out of the question, although it didn't officially put it in. And then our north and south shore temperatures 50s north and lower 60s south, and no fog potential it looks like for tomorrow because of that difference in the air mass moving in. Less moisture, less humidity, and then also our temperatures dipping 50s north and 60s south. Now tomorrow looks less hot and less humid, so it should be actually a really pretty day. So if you're out there leading up to the game in the afternoon, our temperatures will be in the 70s. Here's a check on your forecast. Middle 70s, lots of sun. I mean, this is a great forecast, but keep in mind our average high right now is 69 degrees. So we're still above average, even though it will feel pretty pleasant to a lot of us, kind of warm in the sun. And then our temperatures in the evening in the 60s. Here's that front as we move in. We're looking ahead to our next rain system, but it doesn't look very impressive. The front bounces right back to the north as a warm front. This is Tuesday. There might be a shower or two in the area, but it doesn't look like a lot of rain at all. And then there's that bigger front on Wednesday, bringing in that cool, breezy feel on Thursday. Thursday, we expect to spend the day in the 60s for the afternoon after a morning in the 40s. So a chilly start, staying cool with lots of sunshine and a north breeze in the afternoon. Looking at our 7-day forecast on Wednesday with that front, I just have a very slight chance of rain. One model has almost no rain at all. One does have a few showers in the morning. So I don't think a big rain chance on Wednesday, but at least a chance. Tuesday, 30% chance. That is not very high, and considering that we have drought conditions in a huge part of Louisiana and our area, I mean, rain totals might be up to 1/10 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, if you're lucky. So that'll be our rain chance for the next 7 days, unfortunately, even if you're looking for the rain and hoping for it. But here we go. By Thursday, 40s for the morning, highs around 64 on your Thanksgiving day. So finally feeling cool and holiday-like. Friday morning might be the coldest of the stretch, 30s north and 40s south. Not expecting freezing, and probably not quite even frost conditions, although a little patchy frost in some isolated spots could happen north of the lake Friday morning. We'll be in the 40s though south of the lake, with highs Friday in the 60s. Beautiful for the day after Thanksgiving. And then Saturday we start to warm right back up into the lower 70s.
Tulane does not